Today I am going to draw the outside of the dojo because I feel like we need an exterior shot because, well, just because. Everybody needs a little bit of an outdoor space for entertaining because HGTV has totally ruined my life. So I'm going to see if I can draw the ground here. This is pretty tricky. I just need a straight line for the ground. And I think the shape feature is a bit too straight. Nobody has ground like that. Let's make my comic about a fighting wombat just a little bit believable by having uneven ground. Clearly, a flat surface would be the deal breaker. It was kind of close. This time I'm going to get it switched to purple. I lost my confidence. Have to do the sketching color. All right, let's put the frame of the building up, make it all swoopy. We're going to kind of make it like a pagoda style. Be all fancy here, maybe. Look at that slope. I had a thing on top that I don't know what that is. Maybe some space for tile. There's no way I'm going to draw that many individual tiles. We're just going to skip that. All right, we need some bracing boards, and I might have gone overboard. And how about a door, and then a door on top of the door? A door will go in there somewhere. It's a good thing my contractor doesn't build my house the same way. It's close enough. We'll put a door in here somewhere where we are not going to seal you in permanently yet. I'm waiting for me to walk in on the renovation someday and just find out I've been bricked in on all sides. That would be unfortunate. All right, now we're going to go ahead and see if we can trace some of this for what the wood beams will be. And apparently a wooden log is the hardest thing on this earth to draw in a million-way tie with literally everything else. Yeah, I'm not so good at this. All right, the door is going to go right there. It is official. One door. That's it. Probably a violation of fire codes, but they get one door, no more, no less. Let's make the majestic mountains official here. I'd hate for them to be erased. I've done many things wrong in my life, but making a mountain disappear is not one of them. All right, let's get rid of the ugly purple and see what we have left here. We've kind of got a shack, and we've got a border that has some chunks out of it. Let's see if I can tactfully repair that, maybe with the right color. I can do this. I swear. No, I should not swear that I can do things. If I'm going to bet on anybody, it's going to be not on me. I'm going to bet on whoever's drawing against me, as if drawing was a competitive sport. I think the drawing itself is fighting me. It's only fair. I have to imagine this like a fight. This blank surface is the enemy. All right, a lot of the Japanese style tiles are kind of this greenish color. Maybe not quite that green, but you know what? We'll figure it out later. That's a problem for future me. Right now, we're just going to leave it that ugly green until we can replace it with a slightly less ugly green. All right, I'm going to give them a window, too. Maybe they'll have two ways to escape fires. Has there been a fire in this comic? No. You know why? I can't draw a fire. But God help them if I ever learn how. If I ever learn how to draw a fire, everything's going to be on fire. I will burn this comic to the ground. And then I will start over with an equally bad comic. All right, we're going to add some snow to the top of this mountain. We're going to have a blue sky. I don't know how to do gradients, so it's just going to be one flat color. Same with the doorways. And then we're going to, yeah, there we go. It's a darker green now. And we're going to add some lines here to kind of give the illusion of tile to make it look all swoopy. That is a technical artistic term, swoopy. Look it up. Actually, don't do that. You need to just take it on faith on this one because I'm not sure I can back that up. And I feel like there needs to be layers to this pagoda roof, so we're going to add this up here. And as I do it, it looks dumber and dumber, but I'm just going to keep going. You know what? When you start making a second story on your pagoda, the one thing you don't do is backtrack. Pagodas can sense fear. I think I need to maybe draw the lines the other way. That really looks wrong. But you know what? Erasing it would be too much trouble. We're just going to leave it like that. That kind of looks like something. I don't know if it's good enough to be up there with Jim's usual drawings, but let's see here. Maybe we can get a wombat in there and see how that looks. Maybe? See if I can figure out how to copy and paste. Maybe the dojo guy. I will get something over here. Yeah, he doesn't quite fit. Apparently when you put this in paint, the transparency disappears. So this is not going to look right no matter what I do, which I already knew anyway. I mean, there was no way this was going to turn out right. We just got to accept that. All right, let's put the wombat in here and see how it looks. He's all stretched out. His proportions are off. Yeah, it could be worse. It also could be better. So much better.